Hello, hope you're having an awesome day. Today's word of the day is horrified. Horrified? Yeah, horrified. I know, a beautiful day and a terrible word. It's not a terrible word, it just means that you're very scared. You're horrified. You're filled with horror. You're filled with fright. You are horrified. It's an adjective. Practice using it. Horrified. I was horrified when I saw the price of gas when I filled up my tank. I was scared. I was petrified. I didn't have enough cash. I was horrified. Ooh, that movie horrified me. That movie scared me beyond belief. So horrified can be an adjective or it can be the past tense of the verb horrify. Oh, okay. Horrified. Have you ever been horrified? Can you use horrified in a sentence? If you can, leave it in the comments. Have a great day and don't be horrified. Peace, friends.